just great. The support is great. If I have a question, or I can go to the Facebook group and punch in a question, because you sometimes you get nervous as far as talking to people, because I had asked Christopher for some help. He actually gave me his personal phone number. So it's not like it's just an office number or anything. So I can just text him or call him anytime. And it really gets your mind right, because sometimes, things can get frustrating, especially just
Yeah.
starting something new, can get frustrated. And I kind of felt overwhelmed a little bit at first. I mean, he helped me out. And just because, when you talk to people, if you don't have all the answers, which I never mind not having all the answers, but I still don't want to like lose the deal, because they may think, well, this person, he didn't know anything. I don't want to deal with this guy because he didn't know anything. But you have to still be honest with people. So I just would just say, well, what do I say if this or if that? And even with the training, it tells you, if you're not, if you don't feel comfortable, you can just give the call over to your coach, and he'll do it for you. You can listen in on it, and that's how you learn. So I really like that, and I love like you said, the steps are just great. The way it breaks down the tutorials, and it's easy to understand.